Hey guys, Dari Mahfouz here from Mercedes-Benz Edmonton West. Just coming today to tell you a little bit about what we got going on this month for August. Right now behind me I have a CLA 250 and a C300. For the month of August we have a 45-month lease program where you can get into both of these vehicles for $625 a month and $552 a month. Under this 45-month lease, you are able to also get a 3-year, 36-month prepaid maintenance that will cover you for the duration of your lease. Now, everybody believes that owning a Mercedes is too expensive to keep up, to maintain, all of that. We're tackling that stigma by including this from us to you at a low price, of course, of $625 a month and $552 a month. Guys, we have a lot of C300s, a lot of CLAs, and I mean, it's just getting to the end of summer. Come on down, see us while the weather's good. I'd love to meet you guys and hopefully sell you a car. It's been great talking to you. Hope to see you. Take care.